The athlete's secret weapon. Get it wherever books are sold. It's Coach Vigue. Make sure you bookmark my 30-day Power Yoga Challenge. The link is on the screen and in the About section below. Hello, addies.
Click. Standing, back edge of the mat. A few shoulder rolls. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, down. Breathing in the nose and out the nose. And I hope you enjoy the view. A little breezy. One more time. Lift and lower. Okay. Now diving down, forward fold. We're going to rest those wrists, rest the hands. You can drop them however you like. I'm a little stuffy. I think it's all the elk poop. Good. 2 more breaths. Let that spine elongate. Lots of deep breathing. All right, inhale, chin to the chest, rising up slowly. Let's build that spine. My pants are crooked. Stacking, stacking, stacking. 2 shoulder rolls. Addie's watching the set. All right, step it forward, chair pose. Let's warm up those glutes a little bit. Pressing back. The weight is in the heels. Try to keep the knees behind the toes. It's a little difficult, I know, but keep pressing back. Lace the fingers, arms forward. 3 breaths. Focus. Be the ball, Danny. Be in the moment. What a wonderful thing that is. Unless it's a bad moment, then we don't like it. Exhale, dive down. Forward fold. Grab the opposite arm with each hand. Sway side to side. Good. Inhale, chair. Lace those fingers together. Pressing back. 2 more breaths. Hope we don't lose the sun. All right, lace the fingers, mudra, bend the knees. 2 more breaths. Draw the arms back. A little blood to the brain. Or heck, a lot of blood to the brain. Release. Inhale, rise up. Stacking, stacking, stacking. Whew. Little lightheaded, shoulders back and down. One more time. Shoulder rolls. Take the right foot, bring it forward. Low lunge. Draw that left knee back. Fingers on the ground or hands here, or reach up. Hinge forward. Activate the quad. Stretch the hip flexor. Pull the cap down. Pull the string. 1 more breath. Okay, hands together. Prayer position, prayer twist. Draw the right shoulder back. 3 breaths. It's a process of rinsing out the body, rinsing out the junk. Okay, bring it back to the center. Bring the knee back, other foot forward. As much as we can, alleviate any pressure on the hands. Here we are. Oh, stuffy nose. That deep breathing, though, really opens it up. 1 more breath. Palms together, twist to the left. 3 breaths. Always check your surroundings. All right. Whew. Bring the knees back. Warrior 1. Let's bring that knee off the mat. Turn the foot in and reach the arms up. Focus on the legs. I'm keeping the right shoulder back. 3 more breaths. Good. Working the legs, working the foundation. Open to Warrior 2. Arms out. Shoulders down. Keeping this right knee open. The hills are alive. 1 more breath. Now, I love this sequence. Reverse warrior. Reach the right arm forward, palm is up, left hand on the leg or the lower back, and reach up and back. So just because it says no hands, it doesn't mean we're going to go easy on our poses or the rest of the body. Always demand a challenge from yourself. Always take it up a notch. Not always, but always pushing that threshold as much as you can when you're not resting. All right, arms out, turn back to the front. And now, little step back. Other side, warrior. Whoop, fix the blouse, turn the foot in, and reach up. Good. Let me know all your feedback below. I live for the feedback, the interaction. Good. Reach back. Sun is still out. Open to 2. Line up the heels best you can. Hi. Oh, keep that open right there. Right, Addie? I shouldn't say anything. She's been good. She hasn't attacked me. Flip the hand up, reach, up and back. 3 more breaths. Oh, lovely. Bring the arms up. Step that left foot back. Whew. Dive down, mudra. Lace the fingers again. Open the chest. 2 more breaths. Arms drop, rising up, taller by the second. Shoulders back and down. Give me an extra shoulder roll here. Left foot forward, warrior position with the mudra. Lace the fingers behind you and open. Turn to the side. Open the chest. If you like, you could do the warrior dive. Whichever one you're doing, let's do 3 breaths. Oh, yes. Okay, rising up, and we add the cactus arm, so turn to the front. If you need to, you could pivot your back foot into a lunge. Take the arms up, cactus arms, open. Pull the elbows back. Pyramid stretch, throw it in there. Hands on the leg. You can bring the hands gently onto the ground if you like. We're not putting pressure on them. As you exhale, lengthen that leg. I don't just want to throw all these warriors at you. I want to spruce them up. Add some other poses and stretches in between. Keep it fresh. Okay, rising up. Step that left foot back. Shoulders back and down. Right foot forward. Pivot the left, mudra. We open. Here we go. Palms together if you like. It's a great stretch for your forearms. And you could do the dive. I'm on a decline here. I might just roll down that hill. Oh, wouldn't that be great? Be the best. 3 breaths, my friend. The backside. Good. Rising up. Use that core. Pull the belly button in. Lift, 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 lift. Turn to the front. The arms cacti. Arms up. Open. Extra breath. Pull those elbows back. All that oxygen flooding into your system. And then pyramid. There we go. We lengthen. Take 4 breaths right here. You could lay the hands down like this if you want to get a little stretch in your wrists and forearms and the tendons. Whew. Okay, we rise back up. Step the right foot back. Chair pose. Bring the feet and legs together this time, pressing back strong. Good, you feeling all right? Just a few more warriors. Remember, this is a 3-day, 3-part. We'll do a Monday, Wednesday, Friday. You could do any days you want. You can do these every day. All right, dive down. Grab the opposite arm. Extra breath. Looseness in the spine. Inhale, rising up. Excellent. Shoulders back and down. Like throw some curveballs at you. cat-cow warrior. Left foot forward, pivot, turn, take the arms out. We're going to inhale, open up. So the palms go up, exhale, roll them forward. I did this in a video a few months ago, and I find the biggest challenge is maintaining the foundation in the legs as you're doing this, but you're really wringing out your shoulders. Inhale, open, exhale, forward. Pull the belly button in, round. Let's do 2 more of each one. And once more, feel that spine really entering the fray, rounding it, decompressing it. Now rise back up, lace the fingers, the double reverse warrior. Inhale, reach back. 4 breaths. That's right. Watching my dog, watching Addie. She'll find a way to sneak into the video. Oh yes, she will. Blaine Fabin will lead us there. All right, inhale, arms up. We have a nice little tall warrior. Now step the left foot back, arms to the sides, chair, legs together. Sun's going over there, is it? All right, standing up tall, shoulders back, right foot forward, warrior. 6 repetitions with the cat, cow. Arms out, roll. Open. I'm on that decline. Makes me work a little harder, that's good. Disruption, disturbance. Why make it easy? Why make it predictable? 3 more times, my friend. Squeeze out the shoulders like a wet washcloth. Whoop, 2 more. All right, 1 more. Take it to the cat. Inhale to the cow. And here we are for that double. We call that reverse warrior. Up and back. 4 breaths. Oh, get those sides. All right, up. Feel that right leg really working. Stretching that back leg. Arms come down as we step back. Boom. Like a wooden soldier. Diving down, forward fold. Grab the opposite arm again. Sway side to side. Okay. Let's do 1 more warrior variation. I used to teach yoga for kids at the Montessori school in Celebration, Florida. 1 more shoulder roll. This is called the Archer. And I did a series, 5-day series for schools. If I remember, I'll put that link up here and in the About section of yoga for kids because it's so beneficial. Left foot forward, pivot. Now you're gonna have a bow and arrow here. Here's a bow. You're gonna take it and you're gonna pull back. Add some tension into the arms. Little William Tell action. Errol Flynn. Sink down lower. 3 more breaths. Are we okay? All right. Let me know when the sun gives out. Yes. All right. You could let that go if you like. Side angle. Forearm down. Reach this arm up and over. 3 breaths. Sinking lower. If it gets really tight and crampy, come up for a second and then come down. We'll definitely add on to these. We'll build on these in the next video. So make sure you keep checking back for the other 2 in this series. All right, rising up. Triangle, a little surprise. Back of the hand to the leg, reach up. Classic. One more breath. Extend and step back. Shoulders back and down. 1 more. Okay. I'm gonna move the mat just a little bit. Okay, hope I'm still on the camera. Right foot forward. Archer. It's like playing Gauntlet, isn't it? Or Dungeons and Dragons, the old 1980s show. Pull that string back. And acrobat. My friend Darren, he bought me that, Dungeons and Dragons, on DVD. I've watched a bunch of them. The show from the 1980s, Saturday mornings, good times. 3 more breaths. Oh, there's the shadow. All right, you ready to let it go? Hit that apple. Little Rossini there, William Tell. Forearm down, reach, side angle. There goes the track team. 2 more breaths. Beautiful. Finish with the, slipping, triangle. The flipping triangle. 3 breaths. Extend just for a moment. Step back. Good old sound effects there. Shoulders back and down. And that's it.
Keep training with me by bookmarking my free 30-day Power Yoga Challenge. 30 days of Power Yoga workouts which never repeat. Also, link in the About section below. On my best-selling book, Power Yoga for Athletes, over 100 yoga poses for all ages and fitness levels, as well as 25 complete yoga flows and training logs for all the major sports. Get your copy today, or perhaps you do better with 4 copies.
Shall we dance? What keep on moving? Shall we dance? We'll walk on there, shall we give in to despair? Or shall we dance when never care? Yeah, life is short. We're growing older. Can you be also right?